Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen using a bottle. We'll explore the fascinating science behind generating oxygen from everyday items. You'll learn about the simple materials required and how to assemble them safely. Remember, this is a scientific demonstration, not a method for producing breathable air for medical purposes. Always prioritize safety during any experiment. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need a clean plastic bottle, a small amount of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and a packet of active dry yeast. Additionally, prepare a stopper with a hole, a flexible tube, and a container to collect the gas. Having everything ready beforehand ensures a smooth and safe experimental process. Always work in a space with good airflow. Your game plan with Guile should focus on establishing a strong defensive wall. Throw out sonic booms to control the ground, forcing your opponent to jump. When they do, be ready to intercept them with a precise flash kick. Once you've established this rhythm, you can start to advance, using walk-forward sonic booms to close distance and mix in throws or other close-range attacks. Consistency is key. Safety is paramount when conducting any experiment. Always wear appropriate eye protection and gloves to prevent any contact with chemicals. It is critical to understand that the oxygen generated here is not medical grade and should never be inhaled or used for life support. This project is for educational demonstration only, and adult supervision is highly advised for young experimenters.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.